to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the world of vibrant color summer outfits. Summer is the perfect time to experiment with bold hues and eye-catching patterns that reflect the energy and excitement of the season. From neon shades to tropical prints, vibrant colors can elevate your summer wardrobe and bring a fresh, lively vibe to your style. Let's explore different ways to incorporate these stunning colors into your outfits and make a statement wherever you go. Summer is all about embracing bold and bright colors that make you stand out. Think vivid yellows, lactic blues, fiery reds, and lush greens. These colors not only brighten up your look but also boost your mood and confidence. Start by choosing a base piece in a vibrant color such as dress, top, or shorts and build your outfit around it. Neon colors are a hot trend for summer, bringing a fun and edgy touch to your wardrobe. Neon pinks, greens, oranges, and yellows are perfect for making a bold statement. Pair a neon top with neutral bottoms or to balance the look, or go all out with a head to toe neon ensemble. Accessorize with simple jewelry and shoes to let the neon take center stage. Tropical prints are synonymous with summer fashion. Palm leaves, exotic flowers, and fruit prints and vibrant colors instantly transport you to a tropical paradise. Opt for a tropical print dress, somber, or matching set for an effortless summer look. Keep your accessories minimal and let the print do the talking. Color blocking is a great way to mix and match vibrant colors. Pair contrasting colors like cobalt blue and sunny yellow, or magenta and emerald for a striking look. Choose pieces with clean lines and solid colors to create a modern and chic outfit. Color blocking works well with dresses, skirts, and even tailored suits for a bold and sophisticated appearance. Maxi dresses in vibrant colors are perfect for summer evenings, beach outings, or casual day trips. Look for flowing fabrics and bold prints that add movement and life to your outfit. Pair your maxi dress with sandals or wedges and accessorize with a wide brimmed hat and oversized sunglasses for a complete summer look. If you are not ready to commit to a full vibrant outfit, start with accessories. Bright bags, shoes, scarves, and jewelry can add a top pop of color to any neutral outfit. A vibrant handbag or a pair of bold color heels can transform your look and add a fun element without overwhelming your style. Vibrant color doesn't always have to be neon or primary shades. Pastels can also be vibrant in their own very own, offering a softer but equally striking look. Think mint green, lavender, baby blue, and peach. These colors are perfect for a more subtle yet still lively summer outfit. Mix and match pastels for a fresh and elegant look. Combining vibrant colors with different patterns can create a unique and playful summer outfit. Polka dots, stripes, and florals in bright colors can be mixed for a fun and eclectic style. When mixing patterns, choose one dominant color to tie the look together and keep the rest of your accessories simple. Monochrome outfits in vibrant colors can be incredibly chic and sophisticated. Choose one color and wear it from head to toe for a sleek and polished look. Monochrome outfits are great for making a bold statement without the need for complicated styling. Add texture and depth by incorporating different fabrics and shades of the same color. Invest in a few statement pieces in vibrant colors that you can mix and match with your existing wardrobe. A bright blazer, a colorful skirt, or bold jumpsuit can be the star of your outfit. Pair these pieces with neutral basics for a balanced look that highlights the vibrant color. Incorporating vibrant colors into your work wear can brighten up your office style. Opt for a colorful blazer, a patterned blouse, or a bold colored pencil skirt. Pair these pieces with classic neutrals like black, white, or beige to keep your look professional yet stylish. Vibrant colors can bring a fresh and dynamic vibe to your work wardrobe. For casual day wear, vibrant colors can add a fun and relaxed feel to your outfit. Think bright tank tops, colorful shorts, and patterned sundresses. Pair a vibrant top with denim shorts or a colorful skirt with a simple white tee, and add sneakers or flat sandals for a comfortable and stylish look. Perfect for summer activities. Vibrant colors are a must for beach and poolside outfits. Look for bright bikinis, cover ups, and kaftans in bold hues. A vibrant beach bag and colorful flip flops can complete your look. Don't forget a bag, floppy hat, and stylish sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun while looking fabulous. Get creative and make your own vibrant outfits with DIY projects. The key to rocking vibrant color summer outfits is confidence and comfort. Choose pieces that make you feel good and reflect your personality. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and styles until you find what works best for you. Confidence is your outfit can make a huge difference in how you carry yourself and how others perceive your style. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey through vibrant summer outfits. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to brighten up your summer wardrobe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now. See you the next